I'm a mechanical engineer by profession, and while I was completing my engineering, we used to visit a village which was surrounded by reserved forest, and people over there were facing problem of wild animals coming to their farm and destroying their crop, and in some cases their livestock were also being taken away by big cats like tiger and leopard. To solve that problem, we came up with an idea of building a smart scarecrow.
Animal intrusion detection and repellent system. That's how we came up with the idea of Aniders. We made this device which is animal friendly and farmer friendly. So it's for both wildlife and farmers. Eventually, we made the device more lighter and more portable so that it could be easily held by the farmer and easily installed anywhere. It is very easy to install. You just need one log and you can easily put the device on it and install it anywhere in the farm.
It has a solar panel on top, and it has dry cell battery which is capable of powering the device for 3 days without sunlight. And there are two passive heat sensors in front of the device which are sensing the motion of animal, and whenever it sees any motion of warm-blooded animal, it raises an alarm that is combination of light and sound.
There are very few chances that the animals would get habituated to it easily because we have a feature of getting generated unique light and sound patterns every time there is an intrusion. It works for all the animals from the range of a rabbit till elephant, and it detects all kinds of animal. It works on wild boar, nilgai, elephants, tigers, leopard. So it not only protects the farmland from herbivores, but it also protects the families, the farmer families, from big cats like leopard and tigers.
We wanted open corridors for animals to move from one place to another place. So eliminating physical barrier was our primary objective.
So if you put up a fence or if you build a wall, their corridors get cut and they have no place to cross. So in case of Aniders, there is no physical boundary, there is no physical fence. You just have a virtual fence that you can cross easily. If there is no crop in the season, then why do you need to install a barrier? You can always put it off and the elephants or the other animals can easily cross it.